So in order to review students' work by using Tinkercad, you have to go to classes right here. And then if you were to go around right here, you'll see all the list of your classes. In my case, I have only one called TutorTube class, and I'm going to click here. So once I click here, you can see Sammy Bird is an active student, and I can click on the student to access whatever content that they may have in their account. So once I go there, you can see that there's this 3D design that the student made, and I can also access circuits, code blocks, or lessons if they have done any. So I'm just going to go around into 3D design, and if I were to go around right here, you can see that this is the design by Sammy Bird. I can not edit it, but I can copy this and tinker this. That means I can make a copy of it and then edit this around. So this is actually loading. I can also view this in 3D, so I can work around. So this is what they worked upon. And that is how you can work around with it. You can also share the thought. Let's say, for example, say, nice work, just like this. And if I were to post a comment, then that will be sent on to the student. And that is how you can review student work inside of Tinkercad classrooms. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.